Hello guys, hope I am on time this time of Sunday 22nd of March 2020, and for today we try just to answer a question when the stock market stop going down, and it's a very tough question. Okay, because last week it seems that the stock market slow down. It means going down, but Friday shows another important thing is that the stock market is still going down. Today in the futures, until they stop the futures from working after hitting 5%. Okay? So this is an alarming thing, and we will see tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow, Monday, we will see what's going on with this thing. So for today, we try just to continue speaking about what we have from last week. And as you can see, for me last week on Thursday, I stopped shorting stocks in my own trading portfolio that we are using. So we made some money for 1 week and a half. And then on Thursday, I don't feel well because almost all the stocks have been going up for 2 days or so, so I exit. But Friday, the market go down more and more. And maybe yesterday and today, the stock market is going, like not the stock market, but the futures indexes were going down. It means it might be that next week will be a bloody day. So for those guys, it means what I see during this 2020, it is more than 2008. Oh no, like 2018. And so, hello, Graham Smith. He said ASX down 6.5% this morning or Monday 23rd. No, but we are not still on the morning. Yes, you mean what you mean is the trading after hours on Friday. It could be new. It could be what is it called? It could be earning news. I don't know what is it. So is it earning news? It could be earning news because 6.5%. It could be, but if it is trading, it means there is something, or they just shorted for something. But what I'm speaking about is not just selling short the regular ones. But what I'm speaking is that the whole market is still going down through the news, okay? Especially Trump. Sometimes he gives good news, sometimes bad news. And the market is working good with Trump, because whenever he said bad news, the market... Oh, you mean all world's markets? Wow. So ASX, is it in Australia or what? Okay. Because I don't know. I'm not familiar with the other markets. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You are speaking about the ASX, the ASX 200. Oh, you mean that? Because I see it here. It's going 272 now. It's nearly 5.66. So if we can show you guys. Just to get an idea of the market outside USA. Okay, so it's oh yeah. So let's see when we see the thing. Okay, right now I did see the picture it comes. So as you can see, the index in Australia, which is called ASX 200, it lost now 6%. Okay, and it might continue going down 289. Which is so big, So for the investors, yes, it looks like wow, 300. It's 6.23. The market is collapsing so bad in Australia. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we will speak about this later. So, guys, if you are interested to sell short, like day trading or selling the inverse ETFs, it means the whole market indexes, you can try. It's not just to try the thing that you can lose. For example, if you want to try these things, you don't have to use all your money and to be greedy. Okay? Just specify some money that you want to risk all. Okay? And just leave it for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Because if the market continues to go down, even with a small money, you can make a lot of money. But understand that if there is like a reverse, like what happened in our market, it is so big reverse. Okay, so understand that right now, when you are going to do swing trading, it means when you are following the trend. So you should put only the money that you can lose. Okay? And don't play with all your money and throw it in the market and you have too much greed, because you will be wiped out at any moment. Okay? So it is better to, if you want to trade or to do the thing, you try just to use little money. Okay? Try to use just little money when you trade. If you have stocks in investment, I don't know, because the market, if continues to go down, you will be losing more and more and more and more. But through the years, almost all the people know that the market can come back again. The market, but not stocks. So here is something that I will tell you. Because a lot of people, they think that all the stocks go down, they go up. No, not all of them that go up. Some stocks, they can continue go down because there are problems to these companies, and when there is a weak year like this year, okay, they will show up and they continue going down because short sellers, they don't leave these stocks, especially if the stocks are weak and people are going to sell. If the market, there is a reverse, it means the stock market is not going down in 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or two, I don't know when, and it's going up. So what will happen is that there are some stocks that in general, they continue to go down. Why? Because investors, when they see the market is going up, but they think that it is too late, they should sell. So a lot of people, they begin to sell. Now, when they begin to sell, those stocks will continue to go down. Okay? And this is a big major thing that I'm telling you. So this time it's too hard. It's too hard. So if you are going to trade or to invest, be careful not to throw your money now. Okay? Or if some people, they tell you, oh, it's time to invest, but there is no reverse yet. Reverse, it means you should see it. You should have good news in the market. Coronavirus should be going from the news, but understand that until now, some countries, they are getting more contaminated people, more deaths, okay? And a lot of countries in Africa, they will be getting it soon. And because they don't have any measures and they are poor, and you will have a very large population affected by this coronavirus. So understand that this is something, coronavirus will stay, I think it will stay more and more. So the market, in my opinion, it will not just very, very quickly stops going down and it goes up. But it might, if there are good news, if there are something that it is done in the whole world, if they find a cure, because all the people now they begin to say that there are cures, and they like a cure against malaria from the Second World War II, they are using it and it's effective. So you will see maybe good news with coronavirus defeat, but it is not as easy as you might think that the market quickly stops and go up. It can, but according to what I see on Friday, the market can continue down. Hello, Duna. Thank you very much for coming. So we have Graham Smith, they show up, and Duna, and there are other guys, 9 guys, they are sleeping. They are watching, but they don't want to say nothing. So guys, if you have ideas, if you have questions, please ask, because in this session, I'm not saying to you a lot of stuff. So what I want is just to share with you guys what's going into the market, because tomorrow will be decisive. If the market tomorrow, our market, stock market, collapse again, it is good to sell short or to buy put options, or it will be a very good thing for traders, but not for investors. Hello, Ziwar Rasul, how are you? And as I told you, tomorrow will be decisive. We don't know how the market will react to the whole market. If it is the whole world that it is collapsing, it means the markets. Now, Graham Smith give me about Australia, but I don't know about India, about other, about France, about England, about Hong Kong, about Japan. I have no idea. But I will search right now and check the indexes of the world, and we see what's going on. Because for them now, it's not, we can take, for example, Japan, Hong Kong, Australia, New Zealand, India, all these markets we can see them now, but Europe, no. Europe, they are still sleeping right now. It is 8, it means 1 o'clock in the morning, so Europe we cannot see because the markets are not open yet. Hello, JJ. Hello, my brother. Hope all is well with you and your family in this crazy time and a lot of opportunities for us. Yes, JJ, the opportunities, most of the opportunities are to go short. Most of them. But understand that when you sell short, try not to be greedy. Try not to be greedy. Try to use, for example, 10% or 5% of your money and just sell short or sell the whole market, indexes or whatever. But don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. It means do not throw all the money, because if there is a change, a reverse, like what it happened last week, you will lose a lot of money, okay? Now, Duna said, what is QE? I have no idea. I will check. Fabian, hello Karim, Duna, Italy has over 5,000 deaths. Yes, it seems to me that Italy, I think now, is more worse than China. I don't know. It's just because, see, Duna, I will tell you something about Italy. Italy, France and Spain, we have a lot of old people. Understand that this disease, coronavirus, is attacking more the old because of their situation, because of their health issues they have before. It means they have more issues before corona comes. So it's easy that this deaths, most of these deaths, you find them in the old people. Okay, you can find younger, but most of them, if you see, you can see the statistics by ages in the whole world. They say that it is the old people. Old people, it means 50, 60 or on. It means especially those who have underlying health issues. Okay, these guys will be weaker. It doesn't mean they will die all, no, but it is weaker because their immune system is not working that good, and the virus comes to the people with low immune system. Anyone, okay? So you said QE, but when you say QE, Duna, is it a stock that I should search or is it something else? QE? I have no idea what is this QE. Let me see if it is a stock. What? QE? No, I don't find... Duna, please, can you... Duna, please. I check QE. I don't find it. So what is it? Is it an abbreviation for what? Because I don't find it as a stock. I don't know what is it. So please, if you know what is the abbreviation for, I can check it online if this is a stock. But if it is not a stock, if it is just something quantitative easing, no, I don't know. There is someone last week, he asked me about the VIX and TVIX, and you asking about quantitative easing. So I will put this. I will make. Let me see. I should write this down for you guys, and I will search it. quantitative easing. And someone else, he speaks to me last week about VIX and TVIX difference. So guys, I don't have time right now, since we are speaking. I don't have time to go and search and see, but I will make maybe a video about this stuff. Okay. Now, for us now, if we speak about the situation, about stocks, the stock market, or other stock market in the world, I have no idea. Oh, it goes 6.85%. Oh man, that is bad. Okay, so let's see. I don't know if we can get it. Japan index. Oh, Japan index is going up by 1%. So let's Nikkei 225. So it's troubled. It's troubled word. So guys, let's go to these markets for a few minutes, and we try to see. Please, if you have questions, please ask. So I will go just with you guys. I will try just to see some. Okay. Now, you will get the information a little bit. Now, we have seen the Nikkei 225 for Japan. Okay? And it is going 1.02%. It's going up. Okay? So, it means it is good right now. For now, it is good. But we don't know when 9 a.m. and it's going up so good right now. Okay, so let's see, for example, India, which is another market. No. So India, Nifty 100. So I will begin to see this. Okay, just to get an idea. Let's see. Where is the... What's the price? Oh, Nifty is going $463. It means 5.2. It means now what does it mean right now? It means today is going good. it's going good today. So right now we can expect that Australian market has a problem. Okay, I think Australian market has a problem by itself today. Okay, so let's go back. I see the questions. I see the questions right now after we finish with this. So, JJ said, I have access to 100,000 in credit card transfer balance for 21 months, no interest. Should I use some of the money to trade? Oh man, you ask me a very, very big, dangerous question. I'm telling you, you don't even own any money. You don't even own. Now, in trading or investing, the basic thing of investing is no margin. Okay? No margin. Hey JJ, where do you live? Who can give me 100,000 in credit card transfer for 21 months? Where do you live? It doesn't happen like this here in America, that they give you $100,000 as a loan without interest rate. Where do you live, JJ? This is something that and if it is like a credit card transfer, they will not let you take money from it. I understand that credit card here, they don't let you take money from credit card. Okay? So could you JJ, could you give me some more information? How did you get this money? Because it is a big money. And when you say credit card, here in USA, no one will give you 100,000 in credit card transfer for, you say 21 months, it means it's nearly 2 years. Okay? So why is that? Why they give you money? In this situation where we are in trouble, especially in USA, all the businesses are losing money. Everything is going bad. So how can they give you money? So can you tell me, JJ, where do you live? Which country? Are you here in USA or outside? Okay. Duna said back is down. It means Bank of America is down. Should we go long or short or wait? Let's see for you, Duna. I'm just trying to see because there are some stocks that it's a long time I didn't see. Okay. Wow. Okay. So let's go to the chart and see. Now, as you can see, Bank of America is doing the same as the market. Let's compare it to the Dow Jones. Which, guys, if you are using the chart that I am using, okay, if you are using the chart, you can compare your stock that you own or your investment with Dow Jones. So here is the Dow Jones. So Bank of America is doing nearly the same, or it is worse little bit than the whole stocks, but it's doing nearly the same. Okay, it's nearly doing the same. Bank of America was doing before good, beginning from 16 October, it's going up, it's better than the market, but now it's doing nearly the same. As you can see, nearly the same, but before it was good. Now when you say to me, are you going to sell short it's a very tough question. Because I am like you. The problem of the market now, I explained last time. Okay, I explained it last time, and I will explain it this time. Is that there are a lot of reverses. It means the stock market does not stop, sometimes going up or going down. There is a very, very hard reverse. Now, how can we say this? It means if the stock market, one day it goes 10%, okay? Even if you make 10% and you are selling short, and the other time it goes 10% or 15%, it means you lose all your money and then you lose more. So, understand, guys, that you can do day trading. It is better because day trading, you put little money, you put your stop loss, and then you trade in the day, either going up or going down. Even if you lose, you will lose just little bit money that you know before. But when you do swing trading, it is very hard because you will never know what will happen, and it is crazy. Especially when you put a lot of money. Okay? So for me, for example, selling short, I stopped selling short on Thursday. Because I see the market is going up a little bit, I sold all my shorts. Well, we have made nearly 15% of profit in our portfolio, trading portfolio that we have in subscription, but in the investing portfolio we lost 20%. 20% we lost it because I don't do other things for the investing. But next week I can do other things, maybe to hedge this investing portfolio. Okay? Now, Duna, you ask, should we go long or short or wait? Now, are you trading or are you investing? You see now, Bank of America, like all the other stocks in the stock market, okay? Most of them are going down. Most of them, not all, okay? Because there are some stocks that go up. So, if you don't know, I'm not saying for sure, but your opinion about the market is not clear. We will never know. What if tomorrow there are bad news? If you sell short, you will be making money. But what if there is good news and the market goes up? If you are going long, you will make money. But it is better for me, if you are doing swing trading, it means you hold for tonight, for the night. What you should do, if you want to trade, do not put too much money. This is my suggestion for all traders, as you might know. And I have told you many times that when the market is not normal, because now we are not in a normal market, we are in a market that is volatile, is governed by the news. So whatever you do is depending on the day. Okay? So if someone tells you, "Oh, go just sell short," but you will never know. So when you sell short, in our portfolio, I did not put that much money in the market. Okay, I did not put. And if you want to know what are the stocks that we have shorted and we made money from them, you can just go to my subscription and you look for the weeks before and you check that. Okay? Now, Duna, please, Duna, since you are my student, please send me an email and we can discuss this in details. And you tell me what you are doing with Bank of America and why you go to Bank of America. It means, I think you like money. Do you have money in Bank of America or you have a big account? Okay, so Duna, please send me an email and we can discuss this in private. Or Duna, you can go to Facebook. You put my name, Abdelkarim Ramain, as you know. You can put my name in Facebook, and even without sending asking for friendship or no, you just send me a message through Messenger. You send me a message because it will be very easy to answer you at any time, day or night, and we can discuss this thing. Just tell me what is your opinion about Bank of America and what you are going to do. Are you investing or are you trading or selling short? What is your idea first? Because you know all my training, you know all my training. So I just ask you what you are going to do, okay? And then, you say investing? It's troubled. I don't think that it is. I only give exact moment in my subscription. So if you are in my subscription, you will ask me about this question. And another thing, I will announce when the market has stopped going down. Because there is a lot of things are going on right now. So for me, I have some technical analysis that I use in order to assess the market for strength when I see the chart. But understand anyway that the market, it can go down more and more. No one knows. And as you can see now, Australian market is collapsing. Japan market is going up. India is going up. So we don't understand what did happen in Australia. So Graham, since Graham, it is your market. Did you check Graham Smith? Did you check what's going on into Australia? Why your market is going down? Are there news? Coronavirus news or bad news? Why the whole market is going 6%? It's too much, 6%, as I can see. So can you check, since it is your market, and let us know what's going on into your market. Because I see India, I see Japan, they are going up. Okay? So Australian market should have some bad news. Now, let's continue your questions. Sukhbir Zing Rendwawa said, is Microsoft good stock to buy now? Listen, first, I don't give advice on my channel. Trading or investing advice, I don't give advices. I give just my opinion according to my strategies. I don't see that the market will go up in the near future, but we don't know. So the best thing you can do is wait until to see everything is settled down. With coronavirus is still killing people, and large deaths are reported each day. How can you go and you just invest where the stock market is still going down? Now, if you want to know my opinion, okay, or how to invest, there are techniques how to invest. Please check my ebooks and study them. Go and order them and study them, and send me an email. I will help you more, because you should understand it is not yes or no question. It is, you should understand what's going on first. How do you know, for example, Microsoft? Why do you think Microsoft is a good stock now? Why? Okay? Why do you think it is good stock to buy now? Please don't go to analysts and listen to them. Never listen to analysts now or any other time. You should make your own opinion, because these people, if they say, oh, it's good to buy, and you buy and then you lose, you will lose a big chunk of your money in a few days. The market is still volatile. You will never know. So I will give you, guys, before we, I will just show Sukhbir Singh. I think you are Indian, right? From India. You are here in America. Your market is going up also in India. So let's see Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft has been doing good before, as you can see. Okay? Now, if you put a line just to show you something, to compare Dow Jones with Microsoft. So, look here. Microsoft was doing good before, from, let's say from here. From 28 October, let's say from October 2019 until 11 February. It was in an uptrend, as you can see, an uptrend. But since 11 February, what did happen? Microsoft is still going down. Okay? It's going down. So, telling me you buy or you don't buy, it is not to invest or not to invest until the stock market stops. Because when the stock market stops and it's going up, it is that time, it's the opportunity to buy low. But this, you should have techniques to decide. Okay? You should have techniques to decide. So it's not as easy as you might think. Okay? Now, I hope Sukhbir Singh Bendawa, hope I answered your question. Let's go to the live free. JJ, are you crazy or what? Of course, you should never ever do that. So, live free. I have answered JJ, but he did not give me more information. I'm waiting for him to give me more information about. Hey JJ. Hey JJ, could you please, since you don't want to share your information here, could you please send me an email and you explain how these things go? Or you can just if you want to speak to me directly, you can use my name. I just put it there, Abdul Karim Ramain, in Facebook, and you can text me in Messenger, and we can chat there. Okay? If you don't want to give information to here to the chat, it's okay. It's okay. I understand. So could you send me a message by Facebook Messenger or by email? As you might know, you know my email, istockmoney, as usual. istockmoney@yahoo.com. Okay. Now let's continue. Morpheus Mind, thank you very much, Morpheus, and all the other guys who are here. He said, hey, is the USA stock market closing for 3 days? I have no idea. No, the stock market, our stock market, it can close the floor, like a New York Exchange. The floor, it means the building, but it continue online. I don't think that it will stop, because now the futures market is working. It is working. So in the weekend it is working. So there is no stop. The stock market opens tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so you should see tomorrow, but I don't have any news that the stock market will stop for 3 days. It could be, I don't know. So if you from where do you get the information? Because everything is online right now. Okay, so if possible, Morpheus Mind, you can give me the source of information. From where do you get it? Okay. So Live Free said the stock market is not closing. It's computerized trading. No people on floor. Yes, no people on the floor for the New York Exchange. Yes, they stop it maybe, because they don't want to limit coronavirus thing. Even if they are making money or losing money, but they want everything should be online, which is very good. Okay, stay at home and trade. It is you against the market. Either you make money or they kill you and they take your money. That's it, the market. Okay, which is very good. Well, trading is the funniest thing on earth. It means you are at home and you do whatever you want. Sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money. The only thing that I am saying always, do not be greedy. When you are greedy, you be slaughtered in the market. Because don't play the smart in the market. Just you have some money, you make some money, take it from the market. You have some loss, exit. Don't stay too much. Okay? So this is the suggestions that I always give to my students who are working with me, and we are training. And they show me when they see something wrong, I just sold my stocks like I did in the 21st of February. I know some people, they say to me, how do you know? It's just, I see that I have techniques to see what's going on in the market. It's all techniques. It has nothing to do with the news. The news, I know the news are doing bad since January. February begin to do bad. But when I see that the market is so bad, I exit my long positions. I was in Facebook, in Apple, and other stocks, but I sold all my shares on the 21st of February. Either you say you are you are crazy. How do you know that the market will collapse the next Monday? It happens like this. I always do. When I feel not okay with the market, I exit all my trades and I watch. When there is an opportunity to enter again, I will enter, either going up, going long, or going short. It depends. When I have an opinion and clear opinion about me, I don't care about what the people are saying in the market or analysts or the CNN or I don't care. I care about my money. So you should care about your money. Okay? Do not play too much with your money when the market is so bad. Just put little money and try. If you make some money, it's good, but don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. This is my suggestion. So NASA said, JJ, use only 10% of it. If you are successful, then you can use the rest. No, NASA. Hey, here, excuse me. NASA, don't give him advice on his money. You understand that it is not his money. He already lost 3% because he put a fee. Okay? He lost 3% because he put a fee. So what does it mean? It means he lost $3,000 before even trading. Now, when you trade, when you have no money, what if you lose $10,000, $20,000, $30,000? Even if you lose 10%, what if you lose 50% of it? 5,000. He has lost 3,000 in the fee. He can lose 5,000 or 3,000. He will be losing 5,000, 7,000 in few days. So please, NASA, do not advise people here. Because here, I am not advising. I am giving you suggestions that you should not trade that much. Now, you know yourself better. And if you want to wipe out your account, you should do whatever you want. You are free. But for me, because of the risk of the market, because the risk of the market, what does it mean? It means we don't know the trend where it goes. It's better to do day trading for little time and see yourself. If you are making money, it's good. But don't put 10%, 20% or whatever percent. Put whatever you want. But understand that it is very difficult. And you can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. This is my suggestion. Stay away if you are a beginner, or put little money. Another thing which is very good, you can put options. Let's say I'm giving you a strategy that it is better than doing stocks or selling short. Okay, let's say try, for example, $100. You buy some contracts, whatever stocks. Either call or put, according to what you see. Now, if the market is going your way with the stock, you can make some money. But let's say you lose all this 100. It's just $100. You see that? Because in options, you lose only what you put. So it's very good. But selling short or going long, you can lose more than you expect. You expect to lose $100. For example, you buy a stock like like it is $20, and you think it's going up, and then next day it goes 25% down. You will be losing $500. But you think if it can go down like $50 or $70 or $10. You don't think that it goes 500. So 25% of your money is gone. So understand that what I am saying to you is stay safe. If you don't know how to trade, if you don't know what is options, what is selling short, please go to my training. You can go to my subscription like Golden, and you have 13 training as before. Okay? Or you can just order my training and just study them. 1 week or two, study. See what's going on. How you can manage the risk. How can you trade? What are the techniques? And then you begin trying. And it is good way. It is good to try, even with your money. But just put a little bit. If you want to sell short, why you put $10,000 or $20,000 in selling short? If you don't know how to trade, put just a little bit, 500, 200, 1000, and just try. Even if you lose some money, even if it is 200 or 300, 400, at least it is not big money. This is my suggestion. You should not throw all your money without knowing what's going on. ETFs also, try to make sure what is the ETF tracking for. Some ETFs are very dangerous, like ETFs for futures, ETFs for options, ETFs for currency pairs, currency forex. In the stock market, there are ETFs, so be careful, because you will never know what's going on in the other markets. It's better for me if you are a day trader. You put some money, you try, you begin to practice. This is good time to practice, because the day is very volatile. It can go too much up, it can go too much down, and this is how you can try and maybe succeed in some of the trades that you do. Because you can just each day you lose. Sometimes you will make some money, and you will see that it's so easy. Okay, so let's go to some else. So please, NASA, don't give advice because the guy JJ, it's not his money. It is just a loan. You should try using your money. Use your money, because if you lose your money, you are okay. But what if you lose the loan money? What will happen to you? You will be in debt and you have trouble. Be careful that these days in the market, there are some people, they were wiped out their accounts and they are in debt. So the broker is after them. Okay? So do not play the fool in the market. The market is someone you should know what you are doing always. You should know your risk. At least you know your risk. What's going on? What if the market goes 50% in a day in some stocks? 50%. Are you okay with that? Are you okay to lose all your money? Yes, okay. Do whatever you want with your money. But understand that it is a tough days in the stock market. Okay? Live and Free said, guys, stock market isn't closing. It's just no people on New York Exchange. It's only ETS. Okay, thank you very much, Live and Free, for your information. So Morpheus Mind said, okay, I am just waiting for crypto to go up anyway. Okay, so why you are waiting for the crypto to go up? Why you don't sell short? If you are a trader, why you don't sell short when crypto is going down? I didn't see crypto for a long time. So let's see Bitcoin price. Let's say Bitcoin. Oh, let's see Coinbase.com and we see what's going on. Okay, let's go to see, to check. Okay. Guys, let us see what's going on with Bitcoin, because it's a long time I haven't seen it. Okay. So as you can see, this is Coinbase, which is a broker here in USA. So Bitcoin is losing 5.25%. Ethereum is losing 7%. Bitcoin Cash 7%, and Litecoin 5%. Let me see if there is no chart here when you click, because I don't think they let me go. Okay, as you can see. So as you can see, Bitcoin, as you can see, all they are going down. Now Bitcoin, it was 13,000 before, then it go to 19,000, 9,000, and now it is 5,900. So be careful. Before it was easy to see the chart, to see everything, but they stopped that. They want you to make an account and go and check inside, and you get tempted to buy. Okay, so that's why this website. Oh, okay. Here the market is 5.50% in the last 24 hours. So 11% Tezos XTZ lost 11%. Now the biggest one is $109 billion. The Bitcoin has the biggest market. Ethereum 13 billion, XRP 6 billion. Oh, 15 cents only? Wow. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin 7%, $2 billion. AOS 2.15, Binance Coin 11, Tezos, oh okay, Chainlink. As you can see, everything is collapsing. There is nothing that's going up. Okay. Nothing is going up. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Now let's NASA, you said a lot of opportunities to buy from the support line last Thursday and Fridays. Listen, you will never know what's going on, NASA. So we will see on Monday and the other days what's going on. So okay. What is it? Ardavan P, he said, can you help me on day trading S&P 500? So what do you mean I can help you with day trading? Day trading, you should train yourself. You should study. You should study the training, and you begin practicing in a virtual account or so for months, and then if you are okay, you can begin use your money. So this is business. So maybe you don't know what's going on in the stock market or in thing. How can I help you? It means I will show you what to do. This is what you mean. It means I teach you for free. This is what you are asking me to do? This, you are coming to a stock market. There is no free lunch of the market. You should learn. You should learn how to trade. There is no way out. It's not someone asks you to buy this and sell this at each time. There is no like this in the stock market. So maybe you are wrong and you have a false idea. So if you are to train yourself, you should. Okay? You should train yourself by training. I have a lot of training by videos and by ebooks. So you can go to my website, which is always in the description. Click on that, check, or you can send me an email. You find email in my subscription, in my description of the video. Send me an email and let me know, okay? Could be, would be, should be. What's this could be, would be, should be? What is it? So Ardavan P, training is a training, okay? It's not free, and there is no one who will teach you for free, okay? There is no one. So understand that it's something about the money. Now, JJ said, I'm living in New York. I have 5 credit cards that have 20,000 each. The only thing I have to pay up front to transfer is no. Listen, JJ. Listen. 20,000. They don't let you use 20,000 in the stock market. You can't. This is not cash. In 20,000, you can find, for example, 500, 1,000, 2,000 that it is cash. Yes, you can take it. Maybe you don't understand very well credit cards. Credit card does not give you 20,000 as cash. It gives you to use them to purchase something. Now, if you want to transfer them, 20,000 to your broker, the broker will not accept credit cards. Please try to ask your broker, and he will never, whenever it is a credit card, they will never accept credit card money. Why? Because stock market is a very dangerous thing. Now, credit card will never give you money to do in the stock market, even if you are the best trader in the world, because they know the risk is high. You can lose it all. So, JJ, I think, in my opinion, try to see the cash transfer. Try to go now to your credit card. Go to what we call cash transfer. You will find only a small money that you can use as cash, and the interest rate will be high. Okay? So, try to see that and come back to me. Or send me an email or send me a message. Okay? So, because I have an idea about credit cards, and I know how do they work, they will never give you 20,000 to put into the stock market. Also, your broker will never accept credit card, because credit card is just credit card money. It's a loan. The broker wants your money, because if you lose your money, it's okay. But if you lose other people's money, your broker will have problem with the other credit card, and you will have a lot of problems created by you. So what I asked you, JJ, is to go to your credit card. If you can go online, even right now, you can go online, check what we call cash transfer, and you will see that it is a small amount. From 20,000, it could be 1,000, could be 500, could be 2,000, but it shouldn't be 20,000. It shouldn't be. Okay? And if they give you this money, with the 3% for me before, like I think 3 years or 4 years ago, they give me $25,000 with 1.99. It means 2%. And I don't use. They ask me whenever I go to the bank. They are begging to give me money. Say no, I don't use your loan. I don't need it. You see that? Because at that time, a few years ago, they don't find people who take the money. So the interest rate was so bad down. But after a few years, like last year, the market was still strong. It goes up. So the interest rate goes up again. Okay? Graham Smith said, XAO down 7.9. Yes. Graham Smith, do you understand that in our market, some they get 19%, 15%, 20%, 30%? Our stock market is crazy. It's more than your stock market. Graham Smith said, sorry, put AX last time, which was top 200 stocks. Yes, I see it's going down too much, more and more. But you did not tell me, Graham Smith, why your market is going so bad today. Is there any news, coronavirus news or something like that? You should write about this, because I didn't see any thing that you put. I don't see. So Duna said use a stop loss. Yes, stop loss is when you are on the day. But what if you hold a stock tonight and there is bad news about coronavirus deaths in USA or any other market, and the market lost 10%, 20%, 30% of your stock? What you should do? Nothing. You get trapped and you lose all of that. Okay? Ardavan P. Did you answer my question? Yes. Ardavan P. You told me, can you help me trade? Day trade. How can I help you? Tell me how. It means, do you want me to teach you? Do you want to teach me? Teach you? Did you check my website for the training, like by video or by ebooks? Did you check that? I have answered your question a long time ago. And I say you should learn. You should pay for the training. Okay? So it's not for free. You are in the wrong place. There is no one who teach you for free, because it is something related to the money. Okay? So Ardavan, please, if you have more questions, ask. Okay? Ask more questions, because I have already answered you about that question that you told me, can you help me learn day trading? Okay? Top Series, thank you very much, Top Series, for coming. Hello, Karim. I've had success trading high momentum stocks using stock screener. Some stocks go up to 50, 200 in one day. That's very good. And does stock Myrna have potential for growth? They are one of the leading companies developing the vaccine for coronavirus. So you said that you have some stocks that go 50 to 200%. Yes, sometimes stocks, they have gap ups because of the news. It could be any. Now, momentum depends on what is your strategy or what you are doing. But you can, as you might know, you can make a lot of money of news, and you can lose a lot of money of news. So it's not always good. So I don't know what you did or which stocks or what is your strategy. But if you feel that you make success, it's very good. But understand that the market sometimes gives you wrong direction. You think that even with good news and you are long, sometimes it goes bad down because of other kind of news, especially this corona virus news. Okay. Now for stocks, either drug stocks or so. Listen, they can go down, they can go up, they can go down, so you will never know. So this, you should have your own strategy and you practice it, okay? Sukhbir Singh, what did he say? Yes, I am Indian but living in Canada. Oh, you are living in Canada and you are trading in USA market or Canadian market, which is the same, but USA market is more volatile than Canadian market, and we have more stocks here than Canada, so you can do a lot of stuff. Sukhir, thanks. Abdul Karim, thank you very much. Subkir Singh. JJ, you are right. However, I have option to transfer, let's say 10,000, which I did before. I transferred to my checking account. Yes. Since you said you have transferred the $10,000, you have transferred the $10,000. Understand that this money is not your money. Do you have some investment or some money, emergency money or so, and you are going to play with other people's money, and whenever you lose them, maybe you lose them. For example, you can have your money and you pay your debt, because understand that you are going to do something bad. You should never trade or invest with other people's money, because if things happen to this money, you will be the only responsible for that. And whatever your trading level is, either good or bad or medium, do not use people's money without knowing the risk. But if you have money, let's say you have money in other investment, or you have cash in your bank or whatever, and you won't just try. But why you don't try with your own money? Why you ask other people's money to try? If you don't have any money, you have only your job that you pay your bills, and you are going to play with the bank's money or a credit card money, I am suggesting to you to give back this money. Do not play with other people's money. This is just my suggestion. If I were in your case, I will never do that. I would never borrow money I only borrow money if I need it for my bills, for example, or something which is urgent that I can't live without it, which is a necessity. Now trading is not a necessity. Now, if you want to put food on the table, if you buy a car and you do refinance, if you buy a home, you do refinance, yes. This is a necessity that maybe you should do it. But if it is just trading, why you take money off a credit card and you are going to trade with it? What if you lose it? Have you thought about this? And in general, I'm telling you in general, there is a principal rule. Never trade or invest with people's money. It is still a loan. It is not your money. If you lose it, you will have a problem with the credit card. Okay? So this is just my suggestion. If you have other reasons, you can send me an email or you text me by Facebook and we can talk about that. Okay? LDMSKI, he said, I really enjoy the video you made about institution manipulation. seems very relevant on a lot of the coronavirus stocks. Yes, listen, there are some people I know, it means according to what some news of traders in America, when they begin in January, this is called speculation. So I have spoken about speculation before. Speculation is you make an opinion on what will happen in the market and you do so. For example, there are some guys who are hedge funds and some are big traders. What they do? They sell short at the end of January. When they see that China has the virus and is spreading, when it begins spreading in Europe, they sell short a lot of stocks. Now, they can lose money, yes, but they do as what we call speculation. Speculation, what is their speculation? Is that coronavirus will be bad news. And it is true. During February and March, it is bad news in the market. So they have made a lot of money. Some people, they double their money. They have already done this. They can exit now and they can, but I understand that these guys, they are not using $10,000 or $100,000. Someone has put 100 million. You know, there are some traders who have a lot of money. Some, they are hedge funds managers. They trade for the rich. So, but they told them that these trades are very dangerous. We can lose 50% of our money. He can lose 50 million if you put 100 million. He can lose 50 million if the market is going so good like up. He knows that. But the good thing for them is that the stock market collapse and they begin reaping profits. Some are in 100% or 200% or 300%, because this news doesn't come each year. This is the only year we have seen so much news that hit the market with coronavirus. Okay, so understand that. So it's not an easy thing as you might think. But these guys, when they do speculation, they have to risk a lot of money. But it is a risk that you should take if you want to make a lot of money. Okay? So understand that. Thank you very much for your statement. JJ, I will never do that. Was just asking question. No, JJ, no, you are not asking question. You have already transferred $10,000 into your account. What are you going to do with that? No, I catch you. Okay, JJ, I catch you. You can't say no, because you asked me to invest or to trade, and then you told me that you have the $10,000 already in your checking account. It means you have in mind that you are going to trade. So please, you get caught, okay? But there is no problem. JJ, stay alert that the market. If you, JJ, if you, I don't know if you are following me into my subscription. If you want to follow me in the subscription, you see what's going on. You can have a better idea what's going on in the market. Because right now, what I give you now to all the people here, I am giving you my general ideas about the market. But in my subscription, I give details. When to buy, when to sell short, and when not. Okay? So that's why sometimes I give you some information about my account in the past. But I will not tell you what's the stocks that I have now or in the future. I will never tell you. because this is just for my subscribers, because they pay to get the information. And for me, I am always with the market, looking at the market, what's going on, and give them information. But always I have my own trading account, and we have the trading account that we use in our subscription and the investing account. So it's always like this. Okay, so thank you very much, JJ. Oh, that was 2 years ago. No man, you just told me, you just told me I have transferred 100,000. I want to transfer 100,000, and I told you it's not possible. And then when I ask you more questions, you say 2 years ago. So why the market was so good in 2019? Why you don't buy stocks when I said buy stocks in 2019? Do you still remember? Do you still remember like in 2019, 2018, in December 26, when I say the market is going up, there is a reverse. I said it for 2 months. Some people, they have bought just without having my subscription, and those who have been in my subscription, I showed them the stocks, and we have made a lot of money in 2019 in the 2 months or 3 months until March. When things go bad, we sold our stocks and then we buy others. Okay? Now, BDM Sky, I'm invested in a corona testing company called the X. However, institutional investors keep a price low on purpose every day, even though every country is buying tests for them. Listen. BDM Sky, SI. When you invest, there is 2 things you should understand the difference. There is speculation and there is investment. Investment, you should look for the company, what it does, and you should look for its strength, earnings, dividend. You should see competition, how it is good with competition, and then you decide to invest in a company. But telling me that that institutional investors are selling short. Everybody is selling short, man. It's not only institution. All the market is selling short. Let's say tomorrow the market collapses. Do you think that the traders will wait until someone tells them? No. In the morning it is bad, they sell short. Everybody is selling short. It is not institutional investors, and they don't care about your company if it is coronavirus or making good things for the people. They don't care. You should think clear. Okay? So BDMSKI. You should understand what you are doing. Are you investing? If you are investing, you should hold, as Warren Buffett said, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years for the company, and if you are right, you will be making a lot of money. But now the market is troubled. You will never know what will happen. Okay? So it's not because it is selling that the price of the stock will be going up. This is a vague idea that you have about stocks. You have a vague idea. It means you don't understand how the market works. So, you should either take some of my trainings, ebooks or by video, or you check my golden subscription and you check what we are going to do, and you can ask me a specific question, and I will show you what's going on. But I don't know when did you buy this stock, which is CODX. Let's see this stock. because I know this stock before, but never bought it. Yes. Now listen here. Now this here, the gap up that you see from $8, it goes to 15, it doubled. Okay? So this is because of the news. But here, they sell it short. From 21, it goes to 7. Okay? And it was going down from 21. Now, it goes until $6.89. Now, it is 10. So, you will never know what will happen. Okay? It might go up, it might go down. But understand, when did you buy it? Did you buy it here? Or here, or here, or before? Or did you buy here on the high? So when did you buy it? This is the most important thing that will explain you if you are good or bad. Okay? And you should understand what you are doing. Are you an investor or trader? Oh, you put it at 3? Man, why you wait? Why when it was 21 you don't sell it? Or 18 or 17 or 20? Why you wait too much? I don't know why you did that. I don't know why. Okay, no problem. So if you bought it at 3, it's an excellent investment. But understand, stocks, understand that it can go down also, and you can lose a lot of money. So you are lucky and you have made a lot of money. But understand that anything can happen in the market. Anything can happen in the market. But congratulations if you have sold or... Oh, okay. You sold at 19, which is excellent. But this is related to the news. If you do speculation or investment for speculation, it's okay. But understand that you can, in these types of stocks, you can lose all your money also. I can show you some stocks that were so big, and because of some problem they go down, and you can lose a lot of money. So be careful of this. But you have made a lot of money from 3 to 19. It's a lot of money. If you put only 1,000, you can get $9,000, which is so pretty good. Okay? Adolfo Del Real, what do you think about loading up on Noble with the 3,000 we are getting from Trump? Okay, you are getting 3,000. So he said 1,000. I think. It means you are going to play with Trump money. Okay, this guy, you are funny, Adolfo Del Real. You are funny. Yeah, this is the guy that I like. Pay with the money that it is not yours, but you get it as a gift. Yes. If you want to do some crazy trades, yes. At least, even if you lose this 3,000, it's not yours. And then you don't feel regrets or remorse, which is very funny, okay? So thank you very much. Adolfo. You are a good man. But Trump, he said 1,000 for an adult, and I think 500 for children. I don't know when they send the money, but it is very good money to the people. If you are just staying at home and you get $1,000 like this from Trump, thank you, Trump, for sending us the money. Send more. And we go and play with this money in the stock market, which is very good. Yeah, you have a good idea, Adolfo the real, you have a good idea. Thank you. But when you say 3,000, he said only 1,000 for an adult. Or are you speaking about your family, taking all your family money and you throw them in the market? You should give your family their money. You should not take their money from your wife or your kids. Give them their money, man. Okay, thank you very much, BDMS Sky. He say I will use Trump money too. Yes, Trump money is good if you want to do crazy trades. Do them. Maybe you succeed. And from 3,000 you can get 6,000, 9,000, 10,000, 15,000. You will never know because the market is so crazy. Sometimes it goes up too much. Sometimes it goes too much down. So it's very good to play the market when the money is not yours, but not alone. Like JJ, stop playing with credit card money. Okay, I'm just giving you a suggestion. Okay. So you said wife and one child. I have emergency fund already. Yes, it's very good. Now wife and one child. Normally you should get 2,500, not 3,000. Because an adult, he gets 1,000, a child 500. So 2,500. 2,500. Okay? But give the money to your wife and to your kids. Let them play also the market. Maybe they get a good idea better than you. If you give your wife 1,000, she goes to buy some gold or some perfume or some clothes. She will not interested to lose her money in the market. She will do it for true. Okay, so it's very good. It's a very good thing. Now. We are at the end of the session. Now it is 1 hour 37. So for me, guys, try to be careful next week and all the weeks. Because when I begin speaking about the market, what's going on, it is so bad. Some, as he told me, some good news. For example, some speculate on this and that, which is very good to speculate, to see some ideas, which is very good. But understand that when you do crazy trades, sometimes you make a lot of money. But this money, it depends on the news. Okay? So it's not normal thing. Now, sometimes we have bad news, so you will lose a lot of money, so understand that. So don't think that because you succeeded in one time, you will do it second time because of the news. But still, it's a very good thing to trade. If you have emergency fund and you are not, and you are okay to lose some money, which is okay, no problem. But understand, if it is your own money and you lose it, at least you know that it is your money. And if you lose it, it doesn't affect your life. Okay? Top Series said, I only day trade 1,000 because I do not want to lose big. Yes, it's very good. It's very good, Top Series, to do so. You don't have to... Top Series, you don't have to delete your message because it's no problem. It's no problem. You should always be safe. You should always be safe and don't play too much with the money. Yes, thank you very much. Because you don't say something bad. You don't say something bad. Because if you know your risk, you put 1,000. Even if you lose 100, 200, $300. It's not really a big money, but if you can make $200, $300 a day or 100, it's a good thing to trade and you practice. The best things now, it's a good time to practice because the market can give you more money than in a calm market. When we are in a calm market, swing trading and investing will be good. because the market is going step by step and you see the money growing without any problem. But right now, one day up, one day down. So let's say I show you Dow Jones, for example. I will just show you Dow Jones. Now, as you can see, Dow Jones has been very, very volatile. You see this one, for example, this candlestick from 213 to 32. Okay, so it is $17, $19. But here, for example, on Friday, it goes down $12. Okay, $12, which is 4. But if we take, for example, Apple, for example, okay, if you take Apple, for example, $15. Now see here, see the reverse that I told you before. Be careful, because a lot of people, they don't understand. So Apple was going down so bad in this day, which is 28 February. So the stock was 273. It goes 298. Okay? So it's around the $25 up. You see that? Now here, people, they think the stock market will go up, maybe, and the stock market goes down. You see that? So guys, be careful when you are trading, and be careful. Things are very, very bad, and when you do some experiment, some strategies, some what we call some speculation of the market, it's okay, but understand that you should know what you are doing. You should know your risk, and always try always to see your risk before, because you should never regret afterwards. Because sometimes for me, I do crazy trades, but I know that if I lose, I will lose a lot of money, but I know. Okay? So when you know that you might lose a lot of money, it's when you lose, it's okay. It's okay, because you know that the trade will not work. Because when you are making the trade, you are thinking about the trend. Is it going up or is it down? If it continues to go down, it means you are making a lot of money. If not, it will be a problem. Okay? So, guys, I am waiting for you guys. If you have more questions, it is now 1 hour 43 minutes. Today is Sunday. I don't know tomorrow if the people are working. Some of you guys are working or not. Because I wanted to do it on Saturday, but I don't have the chance to do it on Saturdays. So tomorrow, the futures are bad. Let's go to right now. Let's see. They say the futures go down 5%. the Dow has gone down 4.2%. Let me see this. As you can see, this chart. So S&P 500 futures, it means this is the index in the futures, not in the stock market. It goes 4.16%, and the Dow Jones, it goes minus 4.20% right now. It means it's nearly the same. So the Dow Jones are going down, and it says here Dow futures dropped 5%, hitting limit down at the start of the futures trading Sunday, 2 hours ago. Okay, so if you want to see more news, it's better to see, guys, it's better to see in the morning. In the morning, like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or 9 o'clock, before the market opens, you can see what's going on. Okay, you can see what's going on, and you can have an idea about the market. Okay, but right now, it's better to see in the morning. And Dow Jones futures, it doesn't mean that tomorrow the market will collapse again. It doesn't mean this, because in the morning you will see where the things are. Is it continue to go down or up? And it all depends on the news. So don't expect whatever you see is whatever you get from the futures. Sometimes the futures are down and the market is going up because of the news. And Trump is the guy who changes the market every time. Sometimes he give good news, and sometimes he give bad news. So understand that Trump is the one who making the market volatile with his declarations and his news and his tweets. Okay, but understand that this is because of the situation that is in America, Canada, and Europe, and all the world. It's alarming. That's why it is the pandemic of coronavirus is still going up and up and up, and it is too bad. Okay, it is too bad. So. So when you are going to trade, so please do not put too much money, either up or down, whatever direction you are going long, or you're going selling short or options or whatever. Do not put a lot of money. And so we have a question: why have mortgage rates went up for 4% this week, even though Fed is out interest rate? No, listen. The Fed have said that it will be 0 interest rate, but the banks have not changed their rate. Have not changed their rate yet. I don't know why. Maybe it takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I don't know when. But understand that I am thinking that interest rate will go down for all the banks and all mortgages. But if it goes down, you can contact your mortgage and you ask them about the new rate. If it is the same high, ask them if there is in the future there is a possibility to go down. You can do a refinance, and this I have spoken, I think last weekend, because if really the interest rate go down in the following weeks, if it goes down from 4%, because it was 4%, it was not up 4%. No, it was not zero until it goes to 4%. It was 4%. Now, if you have an excellent credit score and you put down to 15-year your house, you can get 230, 250 or 3 or 287 for your mortgage. You can get that if you have an excellent credit score. You can. But you should shop online and you should see a lot of guys, banks, because banks are not the same. Okay? Banks are not the same. So the mortgage has not gone up 4%. No, it was 4%. Okay? So I might think that this will go down to 3% or 330 or 350%. So, but it's very good for finance. Anyone who has an idea to refinance in the future, you should wait until you see the interest rate go down, because now I think it's the same. It doesn't change. This will apply in the future when the banks will borrow money that it is cheap because they don't pay interest rate. They will get the money without interest rate. So they will put down by force, because the federal government, they ask them to put it down for the people, because they can't just leave it up, because no one will buy. No one will buy a home when it is 4. And they know that federal is getting for zero. So it's better to get the money from federal government than to get from them. But it's not possible. That's why these banks are the middleman. If the federal government give us directly the money, the banks will collapse. There should be no bank. Because why you should go to the bank if the federal government gives you with 0? Or it gives you for 1%. Yeah, everybody will go to the Federal Government Reserve Bank and they will get loans. So you understand? They will get loans from the Federal Government Bank, but understand that it is not the case. It is not the case. So you should wait at least 3 months or 6 months until all the thing will go down. And with the recession, everything will collapse. The houses will collapse. It shouldn't be as high as you might think. It shouldn't be. Okay? It shouldn't be. The prices of homes will go down in summer or in next year, because if there is a recession in the stock market, everything will collapse like 2008. And it is an opportunity to buy homes or to do refinance or to get a loan. Now, if you go to them in the future for a loan, they will not ask you for 4%. Then maybe they will ask you, like they asked me before, they asked me for 1.99. And they give me money and they say no. When I go to the bank doing some business, they always ask me, we have for you a 1.99% if you want to take $25,000. I say, no, I'm not taking that money. Okay? I don't need it. Okay? So understand that if you are going to refinance, or you are going to get a loan, or you are going to do whatever, the interest rate will be going down in 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. It should. Because we are in a recession and the stock market, I think, like in my opinion, it might continue going to collapse more and more. I don't know when it stops, especially when coronavirus is still there. Okay? So you will never know. Okay? So understand that. So guys, you know when you can join me. I have given you my name, Abdelkarim Ramain. I have put it... So if you want to text me by Facebook Messenger, please do. If you have something to tell, or you have something about related to stock market, or about stocks or about one or whatever thing, or if you want to order a training and you don't know, please text me. I will put my name again. My name is Abdelkarim Ramain. You go to Facebook and you put my name and you can send me, without asking to be a friend or so, you can send me a message and I will respond back to you guys. At least we will be near each other, because most of my subscribers that I teach, I train, and so they send me messages like this, and it's very easy to get. Are you on Instagram? Yes, I am on Instagram, but I don't use it that much. I think mine is Djellala LLC. Check this one. If you see my picture, it's me. But I am not very active on Instagram, because Facebook is easier. Everybody is using Facebook, but Instagram, I use it for little, not that much. Okay. Adolfo, they really say, do you still the training free for the first 4 classes? No, you mean the subscription? No, the subscription I have changed. The subscription you should go. I will give you. You should go to subscription. You see what I offer, and then you send me an email or you contact me. Okay. So let's give you the subscription. At least. Okay. I will give you the. Okay. I will give you the subscription. Please check this and send me an email, because everything is changed. So please go to my website, see subscriptions and see what they offer and what is the discount. You should see that, okay, in order to get an idea. Then you can send me an email. I will repeat it again. istockmoney. Or you can send me a message. Okay. You can send me an email, and you can explain to me what you are looking for. But understand, Adolfo, that all my guys who have already bought my training before, even 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, I give them 50% of the subscription, 50% discount, because they have already been my students, and I give them the best I can in order to help them trade or just get information now about the market now. Jocelyn Cotti said, "Hi Karim, are the training all on Gumroad?" Yes, all the training are on Gumroad. Jocelyn, since you know, please, Jocelyn, send me an email and tell me what you are looking for. I can help you. I can help you better than here. So Jocelyn, send me an email and ask me what you are looking for. I can help you. Okay. So we have about 1.5 minutes, guys. Hope things are very good next week. If we have bad news from coronavirus, understand that it is the best way is to do options puts, or to sell short, or to sell the indexes. This is the only way to make money. Okay? If you are going long, be careful too much, because the news are so bad, and things can happen. Whatever things can happen. Okay, so stocks, they can lose a lot if the market is going down, and don't say that this stock will never go to this price. No, it can go wherever it goes, because the market is still troubled. Okay, The market is still troubled. Okay? And understand, guys, that you should always be careful. Don't throw all your money into the market. Put just little money. Try, do day trading, follow the trend, and so. Okay? So thank you very much, guys. Jocelyn, send me an email, please. Like a few minutes. I can answer you right now. Oh, you say Gumroad or Gum? No problem. I understand you. Gun Road. We have guns also. There is no problem when you do spelling mistake. It's no big deal. So Jocelyn, send me an email, and you guys. I will try to do my best to give you some information during the week if I can. And they ask me some videos, information. I will make these videos next week if God wills. And stay safe. Don't go too much outside. Don't go too much to restaurants and to big crowds or weddings or parties. Things are bad. The pandemic is all over the world. So stay at home and play with Trump money. This is the good thing. I ask you, play with Trump money. So I have a question with 1957 BA. Do inverse ETFs in a down market? Now listen, 1975 BA, please. I have a training which is how to short the whole market, is about inverse ETFs. Please go there and take the training either by video or by ebook, or you can send me an email and you explain what you are looking for. Okay? Top Series said airline stocks in trouble now. Everything is in trouble. Not only airlines stocks. Everything. Restaurants are in trouble. Transportation is in trouble. Energy stocks are in trouble. Everything is in trouble. There is nothing is going up like indexes. All are going down. But this week we don't know, so we will check next week. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please, guys, if you need me, send me an email. The email is here on the description of the video. You have my website also. And just send me an email, or you can just contact me by Facebook, Abdelkarim Ramain. I have just put my name many times. Abdelkarim Ramain is my name. Go to Facebook and send me a message, and I will answer, I reply to you whenever I have time. Okay? Thank you very much, and have a good week.